1, unable to join match on PC. 1. Check Fortnite server status. Verify whether Fortnite servers are online. Wait if Epic Games is performing maintenance. Try matchmaking again after a few minutes. Method 2. Restart Fortnite. Close Fortnite completely. Exit the Epic Games launcher. Restart the launcher. Launch Fortnite and try joining a match. 3. Restart your internet connection. Restart your modem router. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Avoid unstable Wi-Fi during matchmaking. Launch Fortnite again. At 4. Verify game files. Open the Epic Games launcher. Go to Library. Click the three dots next to Fortnite. Select Manage, Verify. Wait until verification is complete. 5. Change matchmaking region. Open Fortnite settings. Go to the Game tab. Set matchmaking region to Auto or the nearest region. Save the changes. Restart matchmaking. #6. Disable VPN or proxy. Turn off any VPN or proxy connection. Restart Fortnite. Try joining a match again. 7. Allow Fortnite through Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Allow Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher through the firewall. Save the changes. Restart the game. 8. Update Fortnite. Check for the latest Fortnite update. Install any available patches. Restart your PC. Launch Fortnite again. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. Close browsers, VPNs, overlays, downloads, and unnecessary apps. Free up network bandwidth. Launch Fortnite again. Notch number 10. Sign out and back into Epic Games. Log out of your Epic Games account. Close the Epic Games launcher. Sign back in. Launch Fortnite and test matchmaking. These steps can help fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error 1, unable to join match, matchmaking failed, connection error, queue error, hack, and online matchmaking issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs.